Alright, I threaded the first twine through. So I got the twine threaded through, so you just put it through the needles and just tie it to this. So it comes down on that side, and there's little isolators there. You go through there, through the needles, and then I just wrapped it here. So then the first time it'll pull it straight up into there, and then it set itself. So all those look good. I got my needles bronzed up, so there's no gap there no more. Both of them look good. So when I dry tie it, I use bungees as makeshift to pretend as there is hay through there. I do one on the top, one on the bottom, both sides. I don't know if you can see that. Just got my bungees going up and over. These are the two knots it made. We got one for each side. That knot looks good. That knot looks good. The twine looks good. The next one. Twine looks good there for the next one. So that's all good. Square bales, and then we'll just push them in. And then little cheater here. Instead of making a full bale, I just put a vice grip on there, so we only make like a quarter or half bale. We don't need all that hay going through there. We just want to get a bunch of ties and see how they're doing. So put the vice grip on there, make the bale shorter. Could undo this and lower this. I just found out you keep that where your bale length was. You just put a vice grip on there. It's nice and quick. But yeah, this is how you adjust your length of the bale. You want them longer, you have it up higher, shorter, or you lower it.